Alright, welcome to the Stream Protection Pack from the Get Outside Inquiry Packs. This inquiry question goes like this. How can we protect our local streams and creeks from the impacts of human activities? To support you and your students diving into this inquiry question, these are the tools that we're providing to you. Again, we're providing a GPS unit to allow you to link the work that you are doing to any mapping software and overlay any stream and watershed information. Okay? So that's on your list here on your Get Outside pack. We're also providing 8 water chemistry kits. Here's an example of the water chemistry kit. You open it up and you'll see that it's a variety of different chemical tests that are all tablet-based. So dissolved oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, etc. So again, a lot of chemical tests will give us indications or clues about the health of our streams and watersheds. You'll have a first aid kit that you can take with you out into the field. A variety of different clipboards, again, to help students bring that information out, be able to record information as they're working alongside of the stream. Second, we also wanted to include some benthic invertebrate studies. So we've also included a dip net, you can see here, that you can be using to collect different macroinvertebrates and do some benthic studies as well. And then we've provided you with a variety of other resources to help. So here's a resource guide that goes through a whole bunch of common freshwater macroinvertebrates. And then on the back side, we'll link those macroinvertebrates to either being tolerant of pollution, moderately tolerant, or really sensitive to pollution, giving us a clue of the water system health. Again, we have a broader dichotomous key to macroinvertebrates, again, fully laminated, a class set of 15 that you can be using in the field. And then to help you with your water quality chem kits, this kit here, to bring it out into the field, we have laminated the how-to guides and the steps for doing the tests so that you can take these out into the field with you, fully laminated. Students can actually write on here with a little whiteboard marker. And again, then use the chart and the data on the back to determine dissolved oxygen and compare some of those water quality results. Now, in addition, with this kit, we've also included a stream ecology kit. And this I'm really excited about, so let me just share the components of this stream ecology kit. This will allow you and provides you all the supplies you need in order to do that actual field study of macroinvertebrates in the field. You have all these little white containers where you're collecting samples with your dip net, putting the samples in here. Students can then be IDing and identifying using spoons, scooping up the macroinvertebrates, trying to identify what they are. There's a little set of flashcards that shows the students what types of macroinvertebrates they might find. And there's also a dichotomous key deep buried in here that will allow the students to go through and identify different macroinvertebrates. Now, one other really neat feature with this kit is that if you can't get permissions to go out into the field to do the sampling at the stream with your students, all you need to do is collect a variety of leaves from a nearby pond or stream, bring them into your classroom, and you can grow the macroinvertebrates from the nutrients as they decompose in the leaf pack and actually do the lab in class, making this a fully accessible experiment. And deep in here, you're going to see that there's even a magnifying lens to help you identify some of those smaller macroinvertebrates that you might find within your pond ecosystems or rivers or streams. Again, all this information on how to use the equipment found in this pack can be found on the QR code here, linking you to the main page. All of this equipment is going to be stored in a water-sealed bin that you can take to directly out into the field with you. It has a list of pack contents to make sure everything goes back. And then there's a QR code that links you to the digital resource guide to help you learn how to use this equipment in the field. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you enjoy the stream protection pack.